Lloyd.
472 eastbound on Lloyd. We're going to be in pursuit of that vehicle. South or northbound at 49 from Lloyd. Coming up on Garfield. 400 Garfield still northbound. Coming up on North Avenue. North Avenue. Going to go eastbound on North Avenue.
Eastbound north from 49.
Northbound in the Police Administration Village parking lot. Heading in the alley, heading east or westbound towards, I think, 51 and north behind the CAB. Southbound on, westbound on north from 50, westbound north from 50th.
Westbound north from 50.
Southbound on 51 from North Avenue.
Repeat the last transmission.
Southbound on north from southbound on 51 approaching Lloyd.
Southbound 51 approaching Lloyd.
Westbound on Lloyd. Westbound on Lloyd. Speed has not been terribly high because of all the direction changes. We are southbound in the alley between 50 and 51 from Lloyd.
Southbound in the alley between 50 and 51 from Lloyd.
And we're right on eastbound on Vine, I believe.
Eastbound Vine.
Eastbound on Vine passing Highmount.
Eastbound Vine passing Highmount.
Southbound on 48 from Vine.
Southbound 48 from Vine.
They're either having mechanical troubles or looking for somewhere to bail because they're slowing down. Coming up on Washington Boulevard, continuing southbound from Washington Boulevard.
Still southbound from Washington Boulevard.
Eastbound on Galena. Is that it? They go southbound on 47 from Galena. Southbound 47. It's about 30 miles an hour right now. We're right on them.
Southbound 47 from Galena.
Approaching a green light at Belize. Green light at Belize. Continuing southbound on Alley from Belize.
Southbound from Belize on Belize.
Coming down to State Street. It's going to be on Alois and State.
Southbound Alois approaching State.
Eastbound on State. Eastbound State.
Eastbound State from Alois.
Speeds 40, 50 miles an hour. Very low traffic here. Road conditions are good. We're approaching 46 and State. Continuing eastbound on State from 46. Going through the Miller Valley, a little bit of traffic, but not much. Road conditions are still good. Going to be coming up to 35 and State shortly. Coming up on 35 and State right now. They went through the red, but they did slow southbound on 35 from State.
Southbound 35 from State.
Passing Kilbourne, going to be eastbound on Kilbourne from 35.
Eastbound Kilbourne from 35.
Northbound on 34 from Kilbourne.
Northbound 34 from Kilbourne.
Coming up on State again, 34 and State. Eastbound on State from 34.
Eastbound State from 34.
Okay. Eastbound on State from 31. 68 miles an hour, no traffic. Well, there's signaling to go northbound on 27. They didn't go that way. Southbound on 27 from state. Southbound on 27 from state. Eastbound to the alley between State and Kilbourne, I believe.
Eastbound the alley, state, Kilbourne.
Southbound on 3-4. Eastbound on Kilbourne from 3-4. Black Jeep SUV 2-4 and Kilbourne eastbound. Southbound from Kilbourne to get to the street number in a moment, probably 16th or 17th, I think. Eastbound on Wells, you clear.
Eastbound on Wells, 16 or 17.
Eastbound from 19th and Wells, eastbound.
10-4, eastbound Wells, 19.
We're catching all green lights here, we're heading into downtown. Eastbound on Wells, 1-3.
Eastbound Wells, 1-3.
Eastbound on Wells, 10. We're still catching all green lights coming up to 7th Street. Northbound on 6 from Kilbourne. Northbound 6. They almost lost it. Now they're turning around. They're going southbound on 6. Southbound on 6 from Wells.
Southbound on 6 from Wells.
Yeah, this car stopped. Southbound are coming up on Michigan. 6 of Michigan looks like westbound. Westbound on Michigan from 6.
Westbound Michigan from 6.
Michigan passing 8.
Westbound Michigan passing 8.
Northbound on 10th from Michigan heading towards Wisconsin Avenue.
Northbound 10 from Michigan.
Continuing northbound towards Wells, still on 10th. Catching green lights here, northbound for Wells coming up on State.
Northbound 10 from Project State.
Westbound on State from 10. You're good.
Eastbound on State from 10.
Westbound now, southbound on 11. Southbound on 11 from State.
Southbound 11 from State.
11th in Wisconsin, or 11th in Wells are coming up on. Westbound on Wells from 11.
Westbound Wells from 11.
Westbound coming up on 13. Had a collision at 16th and Wells. They're going on. Northbound on 16th. Northbound on 16th from Wells.
Northbound on 16 from Wells.
Northbound from Kilbourne will be merging with 17th Street northbound. Southbound, or actually they're westbound to the alley from 17th Street.
Westbound alley from 17.
Southbound on 18th.
Southbound on 18.
Westbound on Kilbourne.
Westbound on Kilbourne.
Southbound on 19th.
Southbound on 19 from Kilbourne.
Westbound on Wells. County.
director assess that one location of that collision, 251. 251. 5-12. Third medical, third fire. Confirming you said it's a rollover. Rollover. 320, it's going to be a rollover. We're going to need traffic set up at 26A blocking